Yo guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how each and every single one of you can get a free iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright guys, now this method only takes about 5 minutes to do, and guys, the first couple steps are that you need to go ahead and smash that like button right now. You guys need to like this video right now, and you need to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, two very important steps. And guys, once you guys go ahead and do that, I'm going to be teaching all of my subscribers how they can get a free iPhone 12. Alright guys, every single person watching this video gets one. And guys, check it guys, this iPhone 12 looks so good guys. It's brand new, fresh, clean. In the box you guys get the charger, you guys get some Apple stickers, you guys get some notes on how this phone works. Guys, it's really amazing and a very easy method to do. And guys, most importantly, this method takes less than 5 minutes to complete. So guys, please make sure that you have already liked this video and subscribed to my channel, and let me go ahead and start teaching every single subscriber on what exactly they need to do. Alright guys, so guys, you need to go ahead and grab a mobile device. It can be an Android phone, it can be an iPhone properly. Guys, you need to select what kind of device you want. So you can do 12 mini, 12, you guys can do the Pro or Pro Max. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Pro Max because it's the most expensive one, guys. Alright, then you guys can choose the finish color. So you guys can do dark blue, space gray, gold. I like silver the most, but it's all preference. Choose the capacity. Again guys, preference, it doesn't matter. So guys, then what you need to do is go ahead and press continue on this screen. Alright guys, it's gonna make sure that that the iPhone that you picked is available. Alright guys, so once you see this screen, go ahead and just press continue. And guys, the last step is you need to go ahead and just type in your email address, guys, and then follow some simple instructions. Alright guys, it's very simple. Just go ahead and type in your email address, press finish. Alright guys, it's gonna ask you some questions, guys. You need to read those instructions very carefully and do exactly what it tells you to do. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you guys. I already got one of the phones from this method. I ended up doing it twice, and boom guys, check this out, I got another one. So guys, pretty sick. So you guys, the phone, it's not too bulky, it's actually pretty slim. It's super cool. I recommend that you guys go ahead and put a case and screen protector on it as soon as you get it. That's why I'm not taking like the plastic protector thing off just yet, because I don't have a screen protector. But yeah guys, in the box you get like some notes, some Apple stickers. They're super cool. You guys can put them on your car, you guys can put them on whatever, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, so I know that previously if you get it from the store, you don't get a charger, but guys, if you get the iPhone using this method, you also end up getting the charger with it, guys. So that's super duper sick. That's actually a really cool feature. So yeah, the box is super thin this year. I just noticed that. But yeah, like guys, this is the easiest way to get an iPhone 12. And guys, if you need any help whatsoever, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be helping all of my subscribers out. Alright guys, so go ahead and do the method on your own right now. And guys, if you need any help whatsoever, please make sure to like this video, subscribe